Finally, the DSG is getting wired up. I'll be able to use this soon. That's it. It's all wired up. Almost ready to go. Water pump's been took off. It's been through a while, this machine. Let me show you why the water pump's been took off. It's a little bit blocked too. That's because it's not being used, obviously. What they're saying is they'll put another pump on, but this is the original that came with the machine, and I want them to keep it. So I'm going to clean it out, see if I can free it. If there's no bearings seized, should be okay. So I've left it overnight in diesel. Soften it up outside of its little brother. Let me have a go at cleaning it off. So far so good. And the bearing's free. Well, I've took it all apart. This is the propeller end. The propeller has just disintegrated. That's what's left of it, bits and pieces in there. I think obviously they will have been made in Manchester and not Sheffield. Well, I've found another one. This is plastic, so it'll have been made in China. And it doesn't fit. To get it to fit, I'm going to cut some of this out here, and then I'm going to bore the base out of that, so it'll sit flush. That was to fit in there, stop the water going up into the motor. So I'll make a plastic sleeve that'll fit in there and adapt this. So I've got to mill some of this edge away to get the propeller in. Nice and gentle, small cuts. Right, I'll take it out and see if it fits. I want to open up that bore as little as possible. So I'm going to take the eye points off of these. Good 1/4 inch. Right, so now I'm going to open the bore up. I've just set this by eye, so it's running out, but it's good enough for what I want to do. Right, I'll take that out, see if the propeller fits. No, it doesn't. So I've turned it around. I'm going to put a taper in the bore. That needs to be sat flush. 5mm. Okay, it fits now. Let me get it out and see what I can do with it now. I have to make a new bush to replace this, and all I can find to use it is this. Bit extreme, but you work with what you've got. That's that fitted, and I've drilled and tapped the end 6mm. That fits on there, that'll go on there, and then that on there. That's it, all assembled. And spins freely. Well, it's not quite finished. It is now. Doesn't make a slight bit of difference how it works, but just let me show you what they've done to the machine, the Dean Smith and Grace. I'll just let this break through and then, well, it's gone. Still banging about. It's all wired up and ready to use, they said. Look at that. That's like putting remoulded tyres made in Pakistan on a Ferrari. Oh well, at least I can use it now. See you all.